This is James. My call sign is KG5PT, and I'm coming to you from Belton, Texas on Sunday, August the 3rd, 2025. I'm dealing with prolific drivers again, and Windows Device Manager. As you can see, I've installed a prolific USB to serial COM port number 6 for a 10-meter radio that I have over here that's plugged in, because for some reason Microsoft Windows 11 Pro keeps wanting to reassign a driver that it thinks is the better driver, and when it installs that driver, it says that the prolific COM port is no longer the prolific driver is no longer supported. Please contact your manufacturer. So I got Microsoft Windows wanting to install its driver, thinking it's the better one, when indeed it's not the better one to use. You have to roll it back, and you have to use this old driver, this different prolific PL2303 driver. It's an older driver, and it works fine. But for some reason, Windows keeps wanting to uninstall it every time it reboots, or you shut the computer down and restart it. It wants to assign it. It wants to change it back to the driver that it thinks is best. And I want to know why Windows does this. I want to know why Microsoft is allowing this. And this is a major problem that hams are going to have with these prolific drivers with Microsoft Windows 11. And what I'm trying to program is a Striker 955 HP ham radio. If for some reason the cable works fine and it plugs in okay, and the computer sees the radio, but the driver doesn't. The driver thinks that the driver for this Striker 955 HP, which is right there, is the wrong driver. So you have to uninstall that driver and install the older driver. So I want to know why this is happening and why other people are having the same problem with prolific drivers. Thank you very much.